This segment of the video is going to go over how to decide where to get your wiring from and where to place your device. Where you're going to make your wiring decisions from is usually from the driver's side of a vehicle. Normally the key is somewhere on this side. The key terminal is usually a good point to access the 12 volts you need for the constant and ignition, and usually back behind the dash is going to be a good ground somewhere. The big telltale that you are going to be also on the driver's side of the vehicle is that normally the driver's side panels on this side of the dash here are a lot more easily removed than usually on the passenger side, and normally there's more of them to move, so you can get bigger and greater access to behind the dash. Something to note on the numbers for all of this here: 1, 2, and 3 are not the best spots to put a GPS device, especially underneath or around this section 1 here. Now, for your OBD plug-in devices, normally they go plug in directly to the OBD plug here on 1 or here on 2. The issue with that is you are below this orange line. This orange line I dictate to do not install below here, install above here. And the reason for that is how the devices like to communicate and update. They do significantly better in sections 5, 4, 6, 7, and 9 than they do anywhere else in this depicted picture. The thing about installing over a section 9 is that normally there's an airbag, if not 1, definitely 2, and I advise staying away from the airbag. Mounting a device there, the cabling, the wiring, all that stuff is going to become a projectile when that airbag needs to deploy. Now, as far as tucking the devices away, you're going to have air vents up here, you're going to have channels, you're going to have brackets. All those places make great spots to put the device. Section 6 and 7 might have that as well. I will say that not all center consoles for cars are worth the time to take out because of the amount of work involved. So I would steer my customers to staying around the steering column, but above it, sections 5 and 4 are normally the best. Yeah.